Tyson came to me today with an ugly story, guys, with a truck that keeps going to a bunch of different shops and finally came here to get fixed. Tyson, what's this nasty story?
So this truck, he keeps blowing out his gasket between his turbo and his manifold. Well, it has been our experience when that manifold gets too hot, it can create sealing problems, and I can see that he has an aftermarket manifold with no temperature monitoring. So our first step is temperature monitoring.
And then we'll pull off that manifold, pull off the turbo, make sure that he hasn't warped it so bad that it needs to be resurfaced or replaced. But also, the air filter is freaking nasty. You can't even probably breathe through that, so that needs to be replaced. There's a few things that have been overlooked that we're going to take care of, but if you're running a Cummins and don't have an EGT probe, you need to get one because you're overheating your manifold and you'll constantly be blowing out gaskets.